Was there anything else that you wanted to add, Mr. Lee? Any general thoughts or comments?
Well, in one of the things that made the biggest impression on me as a young man was the 27 flood. Now, the flood waters came up to the eaves of our house. We lived, there was a little drain down below there, and I'll be with you in a little.
I'm gonna leave it right here.
All right. And we paddled a boat. Well, my dad built a boat, and we paddled it from our house over to the Liddyville Highway, and he had his car parked over there, and we tied it behind the car, pulled it across gravel road and water from there to the other edge of town, and got in that boat, paddled it through here, and like I said, they had 5 feet of water here, up on what they call Bear Hill, and has a picnic over there. Well, I guess I was 10 years old. I was 9 years old. But I mean, you don't see water like that very often during your lifetime. I mean, it had water all the way up to the railroad track. Washed out the bridge between Baskin and Mangum. It wasn't backwater. It was headwater. The levee broke up in Arkansas, and here it came. Filled everything from there down.